What's going on, people? This is DeMario with London Credit Repair LLC. I just want to give you guys some information, let you know what we do is what we do. So this is one of my clients' profiles I started working on towards I believe mid-December or towards the end of December. So I'll go ahead and just refresh it here. I'll do that twice. All right, so we'll click here on the Equifax profile, and we will go all the way back to December before I even started touching it, right? So I started touching this account when it was about right here on the 16th, right? As you know, they've been taking some nosedives with the credit. So they started at 426 on the 16th. And I did have my first round successful. I had brand source removed. This was about $3,200, and I believe it was from a furniture company. And it was a nice bed set. That's what it was. But that was removed from the client's credit. But they had a lot of different activities, so they took a nosedive. And we have some increases here. January is where things really started to heat up for this particular client. As you can see, January 6th, they are at 439 for their credit score, right? And as we go through January on the 21st, we have our first positive increase, I will call it, of 31 points there. And then through February, we have a 9-point increase. We have another 16-point increase in February. Another 1 point in March. Customer took a nosedive here. When you don't follow instructions and you want to do some things that you want to do, you might have to suffer for it, and then you might not. But when you pay down your credit cards and you change the debt to ratio, the credit bureaus, they like to play with you. So it happens, but nevertheless, we're going to still keep pushing. So March 9th, we have a 13-point increase right there. Paid down some things here. April, another 13-point increase. We had a nosedive here for 66 points, right? That's not going to stop nothing. That brings us to 408. So April 2020, this April 18th, 2020, this client was at 408. So we play no games here. I wasn't happy about that, so I got on my bully. And 10 days later, on May 2nd of 2020, the member jumped up 132 points. So now they're at 540 versus this 408, only in 8 days. I'm not saying this is for everybody because results vary based on the person and their account and what your credit profile looks like, but you will see positive. But it just takes patience and listening to instruction. We have another 23-point increase here in May. So far in May, we got about 260 points, I think, 200 something like that, 260, 50 points. And we have May 7th, another 36 points. And that brings this member to 599, even 599. We go from the lowest point, we just start back here in December. So 539 in January 1st. And then now we're in May. We're 5 months in, right? And the member is currently sitting at 599. So that's in about a good 6 months. So this was their recent increase. It's not a game. This is real, and this is what we do. I have a good one. London Credit Repair LLC reporting to you. Go ahead and follow me, the Credit Guy 2020 on Instagram, or you can hit me at London Credit Repair on Facebook. We out here.